Oh, hello. How are you? Hello. You've got no one to talk to tonight. Bye bye. Hello. Oh, you're not going to talk to us. We're going to go. You're kidding me. Did that just say I'll see you later?
No, Josie actually did.
Oh my God! I'll see you later.
Yeah.
He's saying it. I'll see you later. See you later. Are you going to say bye-bye to the parrot now?
Bye-bye.
Say see you later. Just
See you later.
don't poke your fingers through.
Hey.
What?
Hello. See you later.
What's he saying to you?
He said hello.
Did he?
It's still not for your pet, Mary.
What, darling? Oh, he is eating orange and apple, yeah.
Mum, we should bring orange and apple.
We should, shouldn't we? Yeah, maybe. Maybe tomorrow.